Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter number 23, that is comprehension. You might be aware of what a comprehension is, and you are going on doing it since standard 4th. So today we'll try to understand the meaning and the guidelines that we should follow while reading and interpreting a comprehension. The word comprehension is the noun form of the verb to comprehend, which means to understand completely. Thus, comprehension writing. What is comprehension writing? Let us see. It is the understanding and interpretation. Means we must first understand what is written and then interpret it of what we have read. To interpret the comprehension, we need to answer the questions that are given in it. To be able to accurately understand the written material in a comprehension, children need to be able to decode what they read. Means to understand the real meaning of what they have read. Then, after reading it, to make connections between what they read and what they already know, and think deeply about what they have read. So, if we see in short, the aim of comprehension, the aim of making the students write a comprehension is to test the ability of a student to read and understand a passage. On the basis of the content, some questions have to be answered at the end of the passage within a limited time. One should be able to understand the subject the passage deals with. The following guidelines should be kept in mind while reading a passage for comprehension. First of all, read the given passage carefully and try to understand the main subject it deals with. Note the important points in your mind. Note down what the comprehension tries to tell you. Look for an answer to each question and write it in a brief manner. There is a list of questions that is given under each paragraph of a comprehension. So you must look for the answer to each of those questions which are given. The answer should be written in your own words, and if you do not understand a particular word, then read the passage again to understand its meaning in the given context. Try to understand the real meaning, and then the interpretation will be in the form of the answers that you write from the questions that are given under the passage. This is something about comprehension.